i.e. in mathematics, the factorial of a non-negative integer n, denoted by n exclamation mark, is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. For example, 5 exclamation mark is equal to 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 is 120. By convention, the value of the factorial of 0 is 1. Write a function to calculate factorial for a given input. If input is below 0 or above 12, throw an exception. How to go about this? Well, here we are. First of all, let's deal with the exception. So if the input is less than 0 or the input is more than 12, then we should raise an exception, a value error. Having that out of the way, we can deal with the factorial. Let's create a variable factorial which is equal to 1, our starting point, so to say. And let's say that we have a factorial of 4, which basically means that we have to multiply 4 by 3 by 2 and then by 1. How can we generate a list that starts with 4 but decreases every iteration to perform a multiplication on it? Well, we can do the following. Else, for integer and then in the range of the argument, and then print the integer. Let's have a look. Then we have a list from 0 to 3, and what we need is an other starting point, not a starting point of 0 but of 1, and it should run till 4, not till 3. So we should add up 1 here as well. Yeah, and here we can work with. And as follows, what we can do, every iteration, we can multiply the factorial with the actual integer. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. And 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. And that's our factorial. So the factorial should be equal to the factorial multiplied by the integer. And then we can return the factorial is 24 and 3 should be 6. Well, let's test it out and put it right in. Test. And there we go. I hope this video has been informative. Please consider dropping a like and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.